Hi guys, this Toyota 86 has a noisy when engine running. So now we found out that the noise from the flywheel between the engine and the transmission, maybe the flywheel or the torque converter. So now we are going to remove the transmission to see what is the problem inside.
Pag nahulog yan, bayad ka yan.
So this is transmission and the torque converter. The torque converter looks fine. So I hope could be the flywheel. We will see. We'll remove the flywheel shortly. Yeah, torque converter looks okay. When you spin it, it looks okay. Now we will taking off the flywheel and see if this flywheel is okay. Oh no, flywheel has been damaged. So this is the cause of the noise. Look, it's almost come out, the middle one. And this is the gear for the sensor. It has a little damage, but it's not too bad. It's not going through on the other side. Look, the other side looks okay. So the flywheel need to replace these parts. It's unusual. Looks guy, it's damaged in the middle. That's why it makes noise when your engine run. It's like a clunking noise inside the motor or the transmission. So we found out that the problem is from the flywheel. So we need to order the parts and replace this. Now this is the new flywheel. Putting it together. I hope this is the only problem. But it looks very sure that This is the only floor brim making noise. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe or thumbs up.